I'm here to show you how you can make your yummy coleslaw salad to either take it as a dessert or a starter with your meals. So onto my ingredients. I have my sliced cabbage, I have my red and yellow pepper, and I also have my carrots. I also have my plain yogurt. So in case you have your yogurt, you can use any yogurt, or else you can use even the salad cream. But for healthy reasons, I decided to use the plain yogurt to get a more healthy salad. I also have my salad seasoning and olive oil. In case you are allergic to milk or yogurt, you can still use the olive oil, should be good. Let's get into it. There goes our final product, our coleslaw salad. So remember, you can have this salad with either your as a starter, as a dessert, or even with alongside with other meals. You can also add more ingredients, but this is the simplest because we only have 4 ingredients, and this is the look.